Hi guys, Shannon here, making this quick video regarding some exhausts I've installed on my bike. So these are the silencers from Scrambler. So if you can see, my bike is the original Java 42 BS6 model, and the stock pipes were straight. I mean, they used to start from here and go all the way here. So the main reason for me putting on these pipes is, first of all, they're stainless steel, so they're less prone to rust and corrosion. My original pipes were quite badly rusted inside, and the clearance that I'm now getting down, and this doesn't affect the noise levels also. They're pretty silent. This is the rear view. So I kept in mind the rear wheel axle bolt to make sure there's access for it to remove the rear wheel in case of a puncture. Also, the pillion footrests are in its original position. So if you know that the Java 42 has got a very comfortable uh, foot peg position both for the rider and the pillion, so I didn't want to change that. So this is the rear bracket for the rear footrest. So on that I've just welded a plate to attach these exhausts. So basically the pillion's footrest position is very comfortable. It's the same position as earlier. The sound is also pretty good. It's pretty much like the stock sound. So I'll let you all have a listen. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Cheers.